It's another day in Lagos. You guys, I won't use enjoyment finish me for Lagos. I'm sure you guys can tell from my voice. We got back yesterday. I would say this morning, like around 3 a.m. Oh my God, it's been fun back to back. I'm about going out again. I'm going to the beach today. So you guys, we are going together. We are doing this Lagos together, like Christmas in Lagos. I'll see you guys soon. Guys, I am on my way to Atican Beach here on the island in Lagos. I told you guys that I'm here for enjoyment. I'm here in Lagos for enjoyment. It's all about enjoyment or nothing. So we are very close. I think in less than 5 minutes we should be here. They have another beach here. This one. This Badun Beach. We are here at Atican Beach. We are here, guys. We are here. You guys, we are here at Atican Beach, and I was trying to do like an outfit check. And only for me to realize that I'm almost matching with the wall, but it's a beach, right? You have to dress colorful and all of that. You guys, I'm feeling what I'm wearing is just a simple shorts, a shirt, and a tank top inside. It's my first time in this particular beach. I was talking to you guys, but for some reasons, the audio wasn't clear. So I have to do this voiceover. I was just here wearing my lip gloss. And, you know, just have to look pink and good. I made sure to wear a lot of sunscreen. You guys, Lagos is actually very hot. It's hot and humid. The heat is not like the heat in the north, which is Kaduna or Abuja, where I'm used to. So you have to get this tag where they will strap around your wrist. Each of it is 2,000 naira. So per person, before you can have access to this place, you have to pay 2,000 naira. So we both paid 4,000 naira for this. So you're just going to have it and strap it around your hand like so. So I have it here at Atican Beach Resort, as you guys can see. They are currently renovating the place, like doing a lot of painting. As you can see, the paint is really new and sharp, so they are painting it for the festive period. I really love it here. I'm going to be showing you this place around. Like anytime you find yourself in Lagos, you should consider this beach, because trust me, it's a beautiful place. It's a really beautiful place, as you guys can see. So let's explore Atican Beach together. guys, I enjoyed this horse ride a little too much. I honestly thought I'll be scared because it's my first time riding on a horse, but trust me, it was fun, really, really fun. You guys, the fun I'm having here is out of this world. So we decided to come here to get something to eat. You guys, the roasted yam here, the bolle, which is the roasted plantain, and the fish tasted really good. But I think it's quite pricey because the portion is 5,000 naira and it can only feed one person. It cannot feed two people. So 5,000 naira for just little yam, plantain, and fish, I think is quite pricey, but it's Lagos, right? And maybe it's because of the location. And I also saw some people who came here to celebrate their birthday, like you guys saw. They were sure having fun. I don't know if using the beach attracts extra charges. I really don't know about that, but they were having fun.